to another property tour. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today I will present to you this beautiful 3-bedroom modern villa in the countryside with an orchard land over 1 hectare near Monchique Mountains in a small village of Marmelete in West Algarve, south facing with an energy rating A. Location-wise, this property is just about 20 minutes away from Lagos Portimao or Monchique town center, 25 minutes away from the beach in Alvar or Meia Praia, and just over an hour to the international airport in Faro. Built in 2019, total area of 240 square meters on a very generous plot of 10,200 square meters. Open concept living and dining, fully equipped kitchen with an island, 3 bedrooms, walk-in closets, 1 ensuite. And the beautiful part of this area is they're all connecting to the outdoor, to this beautiful lounge and the barbecue station. What I also would like to mention, this estate has a separate structure that is dedicated to a gym, workshop and a technical area. And the land has this beautiful orchard with the fruit trees, with the citrus trees, pomegranate, apricot, guava, mango. And the most important aspect is the water source for this estate, which has a few. One is the seasonal creek, a well, a borehole, a 1,000 cubic meter tank for the water with a magnesium filtration system. And for the other features, this property has the AC, the CCTV, and a lot of other features you can check in the link below. Thank you for taking this video tour with us. I invite you to visit this beautiful orchard. Give me a shout on the phone and I will be happy to present this to you. This has been Cheers from the Algarve and see you on the next one.